Good morning, Princeton K. Okay, so today we're getting ready to do our calendar math. I know you can see it right here next to me. And I want you to look at our calendar. I want you to think, if you watched our video for yesterday's calendar math, what was the date for yesterday? What was yesterday's date? Can you tell me? I'm listening. I have my ears open for you. I'm listening to what you're saying. What was yesterday? Yesterday was Wednesday, April 15th, 2020. Yes, good job. Now, what is today's date going to be? I put the number up for today. Again, we've been working on our teen numbers in math. So what is today's date? What number is that? Yeah, it's 16. Good job. Yeah, today's the 16th. What is the day of the week? We look at our number and we go up, 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 up on our calendar. What is the date? What is that? What is that digraph right there? We've learned about digraphs with Mrs. Glory. TH. What sound does that make? Thursday? Yeah, today's Thursday. We are so close to Friday. Yeah, today is Thursday. So I'm going to say the date. I'm going to say it 2 times. And then you know the drill. After I say it 2 times, you're going to pause the video and you're going to say the date to somebody around you. Okay, listen, ears open. Ready? Here we go. Today is Thursday, April 16th, 2020. One more time. Today is Thursday, April 16th, 2020. Okay, now it's your turn. Pause the video and tell somebody next to you. Did you say it? Did you say the date? You did? Pinky promise? I don't like people who break pinky promises. You did it? Okay, good job. Okay, we are now going to move on into counting by 5s. We haven't done that in a while, but I know you are super duper awesome at it. So we are going to get started. When we count by 5s in our classroom in Princeton K, we usually get our high fives out. We're going to give ourselves a high 5. So when I say go, you're going to count by 5s with me, giving yourself a high 5. I'm going to do it a little quiet so that you can hear my voice still, but I want you to do it as loud as you can in your house. Okay? You ready? Okay, get ready. Counting by 5s. Get set. Go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100! Good job, Princeton K. Give yourself a pat on the back. Kiss that brain. Oh, you are so smart, rockin', awesome. I love it. Okay, yesterday during calendar math, I sent you on a scavenger hunt around your house to get a couple 3D objects. I asked you to get a cylinder. I asked you to get a cube, a sphere, and if you could find it, a cone. Did any of you find those things around your house? If you did, send me a picture. I would love to see if you found anything around your house, okay? I found some things. If you saw my video, I found a soup can that looked like a cylinder. I had a tissue box that looked like a cube. And I had Danzig's ball that was a sphere. Yeah. So if you have anything in your house that looks like a 3D shape, please send it to me. I would love to see it, okay? So another thing that we talked about when we talked about shapes as a review, we're just going to go back in our brains so we can remember some of these things, so was that we talked about taller than and shorter than. And we also talked about longer than and shorter than. Another word that I want to introduce to you is a word called larger. Say larger. Larger is another word. It's a big kid word. It's another word for bigger. Bigger's kind of a baby word now. As you're getting ready to go to first grade, you're getting first grade ready. We're not not going to use the word bigger anymore. We're going to use the word larger. So say the word larger. So we're going to be looking at a couple pictures, and sometimes I might be asking you which is larger. So instead of asking you what is bigger, I'm going to say which is larger, and you need to point to which one is larger or bigger. Okay? Are you guys ready? Are you ready? I can't hear you. Are you ready, Princeton K? Okay, here we go. The first thing, you need to select the object. Ooh, let's see which is better. You need to select which object or point to which one is the tallest. Which is the tallest? Point to it. Which one is the tallest? This one, or this one? It's the pickle, right? Yeah, you're right. It's the pickle. Okay. Next one. You need to choose which one is the shortest. The shortest. Did you do it? All right, good job. I'm not going to tell you. I think you know which one it is. Okay, again, you need to choose which one is the shortest. The shortest. So, I don't want you to get confused. Now we see that these two, the boot and the cat, are both pretty short, but which one is the shortest one? The shortest one. Which one? The cat? Yep, you're right. Good job. All right. Which animal is larger? Larger. Which animal is larger? Remember what I said, what that word larger means. What does larger mean, Princeton K? It means bigger. That's right, it means bigger. It's the cow, right? Yeah, the cow is larger. All right. We'll do one more. Ooh, which one is longer? Which one is longer? We have a feather, a rake, and a squash. Which one's longer? Yeah, the squashes. Good job, Princeton K. It's always good that we review these types of things because we need to make sure that we go back in our brain and we remember some of these things because these are even things that you're going to review when you go back to first grade. Okay, Princeton K, I will see you in our lesson for today. We are doing lesson 9 for our math today, and I will see you there. Bye, Princeton K.